One issue when modeling electrical conduits in Revit is that sometimes building codes limit their bending angle or length. So I made a small Revit bottom to control that. And what I really like is that it's quite flexible and simple, and that it can be used for different families and parameters. So let's jump into Revit. Basically, what this tool is going to do is going to measure the total length of conduit runs, but also their total bending angle. So I'm going to do it with this simple case so you can understand it straight away. It's quite simple actually. So I'm going to go to measure conduit run, and here we have a few options. For the straight segments, you don't have to worry about that because those are going to be measured automatically. But for the fittings, because it depends on the family you are using, you have the flexibility to select different parameters. So in this fitting family, we have a conduit length parameter, which contains the total length of the curve fitting. So I'm going to select it here. And then we do have a angle parameter here, which contains the bending angle of that fitting. So I'm going to select it here. And then in order to run it, you just need to select one segment in the run and then just click on run. And then we have this information. Basically here we first have the name of the run and then the total length of the conduit run, also in feet. What I really like is that we have the number of elements that has been measured. So if your fittings do not have like a length parameter or angle parameter, you're going to be able to see that not all the element has been measured. Then we have the bending angle. This is the total bending angle in the entire run. So in this case, we have two fittings of 90 degrees, so it's 180, and all the elements has been measured. So as you can see, this is a quite helpful tool for MEP and electrical engineers. So I hope you like it. And if you have like any other ideas for tool for electrical, piping, or any other modeling tool, please let me know in the comments and I will be glad to have a look to them. So thank you very much and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.